This Christmas decor is super simple to make with supplies from the dollar store, my free SVG file, and a Cricut. Hello, I am Katie from the CRAFTYBLOGSTALKER.com, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and ring the bell so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. From the dollar store, you're going to want to pick up 3 LED tea light candles. These are the ones that change colors. They come with some little plastic diamonds. We aren't going to be using those. We just want the tea lights. If you want to use just the solid colored ones, those should work as well. And then you also want to grab these yard balloon sticks. And we're going to need cardstock, craft knife, scissors, ruler, and the free SVG that I have made available for you to download. And you can find the link for that either in the description of this video or in the blog post. And then of course you'll need your Cricut. I already have this spiral design uploaded into Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to make a trio of trees, and I want them all to be tapered in size. I've got a 5-inch, a 4-inch, and a 3-inch, and this is going to make a 10-inch, an 8-inch, and a 6-inch tree. If you want to make different size trees, say you want a 12-inch tree, then your circle would need to have a diameter of 6 inches. So you just half however tall you want your tree to be for the design size. And we want 2 of each size cut, but we can do that on the map preview page. So I'm going to click on Make It. On Project Copies, I'm going to change that to 2, and we can move stuff around to make it all fit. I'm going to click on Next. I'm using medium cardstock. Load my mat with the cardstock and then hit Start to Cut. To remove our spirals, we're going to turn the mat over and peel the mat away from our paper cutouts. And this will stop our paper from curling as we remove it from the mat. Just kind of have to go a little bit slow since there's a lot of cuts with these spirals. Now we're going to take our balloon stakes and we are going to cut them. To start, I'm going to mark at the 10 mark line and then grab my scissors and cut. You could also do this, you could mark it like with a pen as well. So there's my 10 and my 8 and these 6. For our tea lights, to turn them on, you have to open them, and there's this little piece of paper in there that we have to take out. And then we can screw these back on. I'm going to turn them on. And then to turn them off, you just twist them to turn them off. We're going to have them on. And we're going to put our stakes, our balloon stakes or straws, just right over that light. And push it all the way down. You could glue these on if you wanted to, but I think they stay on really well just being pushed on. And we're going to layer them and just place it right on top and just kind of stretch it out just a little bit more. Then we're going to do the same for our second. And again, just put it on top. Now, if you wanted to, you could glue these into place. But I really don't think they need to be glued. They hold really pretty well. And here are the finished cute little spiral trees. These came together super quickly, very easy to make. These would look great on a centerpiece, on a mantle, just about anywhere. And I love the lighting effect that we added to them. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you want more fun craft tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogStalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.